Hi guys, Anya G. We are opening the hive right now, and what we will be doing is we will be looking for the queen. She must be hiding somewhere. These bees are working so hard right here. I'm gonna make a close-up to bring you some honey. Imagine that your life and the existence of the earth depends on these little creatures. They are intelligent. They have their own government here. They have the whole system of hierarchy. There are different bees that are workers and different bees that are doing different important things in the hive. Maybe when you will understand the whole structure behind the beehive, you will find a little bit of more will to be able to support beekeepers worldwide. From San Diego, California, I will be going to the apiary of my father. My dad has 40 beehives as well, and I will shoot some videos over there. Just listen for a little bit how beautiful sound it is in a beehive.